tighter if you are a woman that you think your puna is sagged, all right? Because yes, there are some women that has a sagged puna totori, but trust me, I got your back. This video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. Thank you so much for clicking. I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to DIY punani straightener. All right, this recipe is 100% effective, so you can use this recipe for punani straightener and tightening. All right, this will actually make your puna, your VJ, your totori down there below, all right, it will make it more tighter and sweeter. All right, this thing that they feel too much, you must take them at their weak points, because that is men's weak points, except you don't know. All right, so you have to be able to take care of your man. You have to know what he likes hearing, and you have to know what he likes eating, and you have to know how you can serve him better down there. All right, because trust me, these are things you can use to win a man's heart. All right, these three things, I keep saying it. If you have been following me for a longest time, you know that I keep saying what men can hear, what men can eat, what men can feel. That is the three things you can use to win a man's heart. All right, there's no shortcuts to these three things. All right, what men can hear, what men can eat, and what they can feel. All right, and in this video I'm just going to be showing you how to DIY a punani sweetener, and this will also make you get tighter if you are a woman that you think your puna is sagged. All right, because yes, there are some women that has a sagged puna totori, but trust me, I got your back. This video is for you, and trust me, it is 100% effective if you can use it in the right way. Let's just get right into the video. The first ingredients we are going to be working with is water. All right, this is hot water. Make sure you get a warm water or hot water, either warm or hot water. All right, for your puna tightening and sweetener. All right, because when your puna is tight, trust me, your puna will be sweet. All right, you know what I'm saying. If you're a man, you get the logic. All right, so yeah, the next ingredient we are going to be using is alum. All right, this is alum, and you know what alum does. It is meant for cleansing. All right, it will clean all the yama, all this fluid that is messing up your puna, that is making it smell, making your puna to slack. All right, their puna is sagged, and there's no crime about it. I'm not here to judge anybody, but rather I'm here to just fix the problem. All right, this is the first thing you are going to go through if you are trying to tighten up your puna, your totori. All right, so as I've said earlier, we need water, and this is alum. So what we are going to do right now is to pour the water into the alum and make it dissolve a little bit. All right, so having done that, you make it dissolve a little bit, and then you strain it. All right, you have to strain the water into another bowl. Okay, so what you are going to do with this water is to use this water to wash your VJ area, all right, your totori area, so that it will wash all the unwanted fluid that is making your puna very wide and sagged. All right, so this will also work for the tightening. It will start working for it, but please, as I've said earlier, don't use this thing, don't use this DIY maybe 3 times, 4 times a week. You can only use it once in a week or once in 2 weeks. It is not what you can use frequently. It is not what you can use every day. All right, though it is natural, but I will not advise you to use it every day. All right, once in 2 weeks is okay, and trust me, your sagged puna, your white puna will start firming up bit by bit till you achieve your heart desire. All right, I hope this video is helpful, and I hope you understand the logic behind puna tightening. All right, when your puna is tight, trust me, it will be sweet. All right, and when it is sweet, you can ask anything from your man, and trust me, it's going to give it to you. You know, when your puna is clean, trust me, when you ask your man for anything using this thing, is going to give it to you. All right, so yeah, I hope this video is helpful. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to leave a comment for me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.